Welcome to World's Classic Sports Car. Today we've got to offer you a beautiful 1960 Sunbeam Rapier. It's a Mark III version, finished in this beautiful two-tone light and dark blue with a dark blue roof and side flash. The car we have previously sold, and if you look back on the YouTube etc, you'll see the previous videos of the car. It's done 25,000 miles from new. It's not a restored car, and it's very, very, very original, probably the most original you'll find. So we've done 22,000 miles the first time we saw this car. We helped it out of the garage, which had been sat in for probably the last 30 odd years, and we sold it previously, took it back, and we've sold it again. We were just taking it back in against another classic car. So as you look around, all the chrome work and lights and everything is in very, very nice condition. Everything, panel fit, and there's no corrosion anywhere on the car. When you close the doors, they close with the clunk that you don't get on a restored car particularly. Inside the car we've got this light blue vinyl upholstery, again original. There are a few little seams which are just starting to give way a little bit, but it just wants leaving alone because it's so original. It's just got the perfect patina for a 60 odd year old car. Headliner's in great condition, as is the dashboard. Everything's working, all the gauges there, the engine's running now, ticking over just about 1,000 revs per minute. Carpet again, 60 odd years old, so it's got a little bit of wear, but it was such a shame to change it. Again, I've just on the blue vinyl doors there, carpet at the bottom just faded a bit, as it has everywhere else. These cars have got the pillarless wind down rear windows. So they're fully open like that. A little bit of the rubbers there, just showing a bit of age and a bit of patina. They are original, obviously. Everything working perfect. Look at that, just comes up a treat. So we did put a set of tyres, radial tyres on for the last owner. We also went right through the car. He said all the oils changed, so the engine oil and filter, the axle and gearbox oils have been changed. We put new blue coal antifreeze in it, plugs, points, condenser and plug leads have all been changed as well. So under the bonnet here, it's just a lovely place. Ticking over quite nicely, 1500cc twin carb engine, alloy cylinder head. We also put a brand new exhaust system and brand new brake discs on for the last owner. These were sourced from the Sunbeam Rapier Owners Club, very hard to get hold of, quite expensive. The previous owner did take the original aerial off, and he's also taken the radio out of the car. It's in the boot. The original aerial, he put a telescopic one on so he could put a car cover over it. The original aerial, as I'll show you in a moment, is just a single piece unit with a little knobbly red end to it, so that can go back on if you need to. And also the original radio and bits and bobs, some other spares with the car. So the wheels and tyres, so all these brand new Continental tyres, powder coated wheels, and also if you look, we've got the jack there, the starting handle and wheel base thrown in there. But if you look underneath the floor covering in the back here, that's all original. It's not been welded up or anything like that, it's not been painted. Again, as you look out the door, the shuts and everything. So if originality is your thing, and you don't want to spend a fortune on restoring a bad car, this could be the car for you. We'll take you down the road in it and just show you how well it goes on the road, because it's not just a trailer queen, this car, it does get used. It's just been to the British Motoring Museum, which is a fair trip for us in Lincolnshire, faultlessly. So thanks for looking so far. Okay, we'll just take you for a buzz up the road in this lovely little low